Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Director General of Special Duties Unit attached to Government House, Asaba, Chief Frank Omare says the Delta State government has recorded significant progress with the clearing of blocked drainages obstructing free flow of water in parts of Uwe and Warri. Chief Omare, however, appealed to residents of major towns and cities in Delta State to change their attitude towards the environment to maintain proper sanitation, public health, and safety.
In anticipation of the impending 2023 flood outbreak, as predicted by the Nigerian Meteorological Agency NIMET, Delta State Governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oburewuri, recently directed that all illegal buildings and structures erected on natural water channels be demolished. Recently, Director General of Special Duties, Chief Frank Omare, whose office has been mandated to carry out the governor's directive, mobilized swamp boogies to 6 different locations in Warri and Uwe to open up drainages that had been blocked for years. In a chat with Inside the Niger Delta, Chief Omare said he discovered that the attitude of residents was largely responsible for blocked drainages and other environmental challenges encountered in parts of Delta State.
Sanitation day. Where is it? We're playing football on primary school field or secondary school field. You are supposed to, for a month, you are asked to clean your environment for just 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. That's the time you want to go and play football. That is the time you are going to see neighbors. It is not the making of the government. It is the making of our people.
Chief Omare warned that the government of Right Honorable Oburewuri will be decisive in ridding the state of illegal structures obstructing free flow of water in residential and industrial areas. In less than 2 weeks into the exercise, several illegal structures have been demolished while major canals have also been cleared. Some traders at Igbodu Market gave a thumbs up to the Delta State government for its intervention.
The thing is no problem to us, but as government don't take steps, so because if beg government say make it still do well for us, make everything dey okay, make business dey flow, because of the water, business not dey flow, we not dey sell.
It's a very nice job. What you do so because they make us now say water don't go to enter our compounds and houses again anymore.
In the same vein, residents of Uboreke community said the intervention came with a huge relief for them.
All the flooded homes we used to have before, no home was flooded this last rainfall. So we are happy.
When I reach here, everywhere dry. First in history for this place, this place dry.
The ongoing demolition of illegal structures in Delta State is part of efforts being made by government to stop unplanned development, which continues to militate against environmental sanitation, human security, as well as public health and safety.
Inside the Niger Delta,